Hey sports fans, this quick little video just to go over what I did to restore the trim on my Jeep. I saw a video a while back where it was supposedly debunked. I think it was Donut Media or I don't know, some other car channel, where they were using a blowtorch. And while that method does work, um, they weren't able to get it to work at all. As a matter of fact, they were melting plastic. They called it a fail and all sorts of other stuff. Yeah, you can use a blowtorch, just a little propane torch, but risk damaging your paint, all sorts of other stuff. I used a heat gun. You could probably use a hair dryer in some circumstances if it's powerful enough, but I had a lot of success, and you'll see right here. The proof is right here. So what I understand is happening is this is a 2012 Jeep, and here we are in 2022. My understanding is that over time, the UV rays from sunlight start to dry out the plastics. Uh, so by using the heat gun, what you're doing is you're bringing the oils that are already in the plastic, you're bringing them back to the surface. It's revitalizing it, and it's a permanent solution too. This doesn't fade like putting a topical dressing on it like Armor All. This does last. Do you have the heat gun on high? There's a low setting, and I probably get the same results, but I chose to go on high. Allows me to get right into the crevices and get the trim all the way that's tucked up under the metal, so to speak, and work it as I'm working in the sunlight and the shade. You're able to see it as it reacts differently as the oils come up. Some spots are shinier. I just kept on working the area until it was a nice uniform color. This side I did do in the sunlight. Same results. It's just as you're doing it, you can see how it's reacting a little bit differently. When it first heats up, it just changes color. As it gets a little bit hotter, it looks a little bit shinier as you're doing the application itself. I find that's a little bit more useful, but like I said, it worked just as well in the shade. As you'll notice, it doesn't hide any defects, so there's a couple of scuffs and scratches on the trim. That doesn't go away, it's still there. There's a couple of spots that are white on here and some other stuff, and all in all, it still looks better. And here's the final word. This picture is just a look at a part that's done and a part that's not from a bit more of a distance. Yeah, total win. Happy to do it. And actually, I missed a couple spots, like up on the luggage rack that I got to go back and do later. But easy job. Hey, thanks for stopping by.